Now look, y'all, don't let these insurance companies and these car dealerships scam y'all out of some money. You know, remember a year ago a fella came around, man, I got something that'll make your light shine good on your car. You know how it get all that yellow looking, and man, I can do it for you. I can do it for $40. Said, and you know, I said, maybe I have some money at the first of the month. And he sent some of his fellas he know down here, and I said, I don't really want to do it. Sure enough, a year later, this is a few weeks ago, back before 4th of July, my mom called me and told me. She said she was getting her car fixed, and the car dealership that she bought her car for, they were gonna shine her lights up same way. They're gonna charge her $80 for it. She talked to one of her mechanic friends. She said, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't let them do it. She said, look, all they're doing is getting bug spray with 40% DEET and using it to clean off the lenses and the glasses, the glass that's on the headlights. This cost me $3.65. And the fella down here the street was gonna charge me $40 to do what I just did. And the people at the car dealership was gonna charge my mama $80 to do this. It's a scam. I mean, it's not a scam. I mean, if you don't know, you just don't know. But save yourself some money. Go to Walmart, go to Academy, go anywhere that sells bug spray, get 40% DEET and use it to clean off your headlights, and you'll have nice shiny new headlights just like you saw me here on this truck. That way you can be able to see at night and not have to you know, be scared you got to replace the whole headlamp or pay somebody $50, $80, $100 to do it. $3.65, and there's enough in here to do, like, I don't know how many cars. You can probably do 50 cars with this. You think about the profit on that. And I don't have a problem them charging for the service. It's just that, is it worth $40? Is it worth $80? And if you pay $3.65 for your cost, and you go charge somebody $40 to it, and the charge and the labor was not intensive, and the difficulty was not intensive, the time required was not long, I'm sorry, it's just not worth it. It just sounds greedy to me, if you ask me. And if they said, hey man, I'll charge you $15 to do it, okay, fine. I mean, sounds more reasonable to me. I'll charge $10 to do it. Even if they said 20 bucks, I've been like, okay, not bad. But $40, $80? That's why I approach fishing the way I do, because I'm sick and tired of the junk. I'm sick and tired of junk that doesn't catch fish. That's why I approach it, because you'll have junk like this that's $3.65 and they'll go charge you $80 for it. And it doesn't really require all that much time or energy or difficulty in banging up your tools like it does with my hand line reels and stuff. So, quick tip. You have foggy looking headlights, get you some 40% DEET. You know, if this stuff can strip all that oxidation off your headlamps, do you really want to spray this stuff on your body? Poison, baby. But that's what I got for you today. Quick tips, helping you save money in your fishing, man. That's part of what I do. People don't believe it, but that's what I do.